The Product Info tab will be displayed by default and includes product information. The Recipes tab displays a list of recipes using the product, in order of pack size. Bulk package update can be implemented when the existing pack size of an item used in various recipes needs to be replaced by a different or new pack size. Bulk product update can be implemented when a product used in various recipes needs to be replaced by a new product. The Sales tab displays data on the last 50 sales for that item by date. The Deliveries tab will display a list of the last 50 deliveries. Transfers tab, you will see the last 50 transfers in and out for your chosen product. The Adjustments tab will show the last 50 outward and inward adjustments. Batches tab displays the product consumption of the respective batch recipe. The Stocks tab displays information on the last 50 entered stock counts. Movement tab displays the product consumption in each period. The GP Summary tab presents the profit margin after product cost deductions. The Add Menu Item option is a simple method to create recipes with only one ingredient, such as glasses of wine, single spirit shots, or bottle items.